Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome to our math session. Now children, as you know, we are doing chapter 6 coins and currency notes. Today we will be doing part 3. In our previous session we have finished our part 1 and part 2. In part 1 we finished coins, in part 2 we did currency notes. So today we will be doing combined sums of coins and currency notes. Okay. In part 3, let us see. Now look at the picture of coins and currency notes. Write the value of each. Look at the picture of coins and currency notes. Write the value of each. Okay, what you have to do is you are going to look at the picture of coins and currency notes and you are going to write the value of that coins or currency. Now here, which note is this? Yes, it is a note of rupees 2000. Correct. So children, what amount you are going to write here? Now on your screen you can see a note. On that note amount is written. See properly. Which amount you are going to write here children? Yes, rupees 2000. That is 2 and 30. 2000. That is rupees 2000. Okay. The same amount which is written on your notes. You will write the same amount. Okay. Which is written on your notes. Now tell me, which note is this? Yes children, it is very easy. It is a 10 rupee note. Correct. But what amount you are going to write here? What amount is written on your note? See? Rupees 10. Correct. So what amount you are going to write? Rupees 10. Understood? Now on your screen on the note, which leader you can see there? Yes. Which great leader you can see there? Yes, it's a picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Correct. So children, whatever amount is written on the notes, you will write the same amount. Okay. Okay. So rupees, if it is a 10 rupee note, you are going to write rupees 10. If it is a rupee 2000 rupee note, you are going to write rupees 2000. Okay. But you have to write rupees. Okay. You cannot just write the numbers, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Okay. Now this coin, very easy it is. Yes, it is a 2 rupee coin. So now if it is a 2 rupee coin, what amount you are going to write here? See the amount, it is written on the coin. What amount you are going to write here? Children, see, look here, this is a rupee symbol. Okay. So you can see and write it from there also. And amount is also there. So what you are going to write is rupees 2. That means you are going to write this rupee and then this 2. That is rupees 2. So what is the amount of this coin? It is rupees 2. This. Yes children. This. Which note is this? Yes, it is a 50 rupee note. Correct. But what amount you are going to write for this note? Yes, rupees 50. What amount you are going to write for this note? Rupees 50. Understood? Now this. Which note you can see on your screen? It's a new note of 100 rupees. Correct? Yes. So what you are going to write? Rupees 100. Why? Because it is a 100 rupee note. Now on your screen, can you see? On the note it is written rupees 100. So same thing. Same amount you are going to write for this. Okay? Rupees 100. Now which coin is this? Yes, it is a coin of 1 rupee. 1 rupee coin. On 1 rupee coin also children you can see this rupee symbol, and then Then you can see the rupee amount here. See, it's 1 rupee and that. Same thing you are going to write. Rupees 1. Okay. What is the amount of coin of rupee 1? It is rupees 1. Now 500. Okay. This is a 500 rupee note. Okay. So what amount you are going to write for 500? Yes, children, answer me. What amount you are going to write for 500? For 1 rupee we wrote 1 rupee. For 2000 we wrote 2000. Then for 2 rupee coin we wrote 2 rupees. For 10 rupee note we wrote 10 rupees. For 50 rupee note we wrote 50 rupees. So for 500 what we will write? Rupees 500. Correct. What we are going to write? Rupees 500. So what is the value of 500 rupee note? Is rupees 500. This very easy. It's a old note only. Yes, it is a 20 rupee note. So what amount you are going to write for 20 rupee note? What teacher told you? The same amount you are going to write. What the note, what number you can see on your screen on the note? Rupees 20. Correct. 20 rupee note. Now write the total amount or value in the given boxes. Write the total or amount or value in the given boxes. What you have to do is you have to write the total amount in the given boxes. That means you have to calculate the notes and then you have to write the amount in the given boxes. Let us see. Now here, let us see what we have on our screen. 120 rupee note, 110 rupee note, 1 rupee note, 5 rupee note and 120 rupee note. Wait 1 minute. 120 rupee note, 110 rupee note, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. Okay. So children, now we will total and see what amount we are getting. 20 plus 10 will be how much? Count and tell me, children. 20 plus 10. 30. Okay. Now to that 30, if we add this 1 rupee, it will be 31. To that 31, if I add this 5. So after 31, 5 fingers. 32, 33, 34 and 30. Again, after 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Correct. Now to that 36, I am adding this 2. So what answer I will get? ₹38. Correct. That means 120 rupee note, 110 rupee note, 1 rupee note, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin will make total 38 rupees. 120 rupee note, 110 rupee note, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coins will total make how much rupees? 38 rupees. Okay. Next. Now let us count this. 1 500 rupee note, 100 rupee note and 50 rupee note. Okay. So children, count and tell me. 1 500, 100 and 150. So let us count and see. Now 500 plus 100 is how much? 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. Correct. That means 500 plus 1 will be how much? 500 plus 100 will be how much? 600. Now to that 600, if we add to this 600, if we add this 50, what we get? 650 rupees. What answer we will get? we will get 650 rupees. That means one 500 note, 100 note and 150 rupee note will together make how many rupees? 650 rupees. How many rupees? 650 rupees. One 500 note, 100 note and 150 rupee note will make total 650 rupees. Now next. Now let us count these coins. One is 5 rupee coin, one 2 rupee coin and one 1 rupee coin. Now let us total and see. 5 plus 2. Now children, calculate 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will be 6, 7. 7 plus 1. Very easy this is. 8 rupees. Correct. 7 plus 1 is 8 rupees. That means if we add 5 plus 2, 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupees, it will be how much? 8 rupees. One 5 rupee coin, one 2 rupee coin and one rupee coin will make how much? 8 rupees. Correct. Now we'll move to the next. Now children, here. Let us see how it is. We are having 150 rupees note, 150, that means 250 rupee note, 120 rupee note, 1 rupee coin, 2, 3, that means 3 1 rupee coin. Okay, we are having 250 rupee note, 120 rupee note and 3 1 rupee coin. Now let us total count, see how many rupees we are having. So 50 plus 50 will be how much? 100. Correct. And 100 plus 20 will be 120. And to that 120, if I add 1, it will be 121. 121, if I add one more 1, 122. To that again, if I add 1, I will get the answer 123 rupees. That means 250 rupee notes, 120 rupee note and 3 coins of 1 rupee will make total 123 rupees. 250 rupee notes, 120 rupee notes and 3 coins of 1 rupees will make total 123 rupees. Can you give rupees 252 using currency notes and coin of different denomination? Now I am having 252 rupees. Okay. And you have to give 250 rupees change using different currency notes and coins of different denomination. Okay. So let us see the first denomination. What amount is that? It is 252. Okay. So the first denomination will be 1 200 rupee note, 150 rupee note and 1 2 rupee coin. Now let us count and see whether the total is 252. Now this 200 plus this 50 rupees will be 250. To that 250, if we add this 2, how much it will become? 250 plus 2 will be 51 and 52, that is 252. That means our denomination is correct. So 1 200 rupee note, 150 rupee note and 1 2 rupee coin will make 252 rupees. Now 252 another. Let us see which denomination we can use. 100 rupee note, one more 100, 120 rupee note, one more 20 rupee note and one 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin and one more 1 rupee coin. Okay. Now children, here let us count and see. 100 and 100, we are having 200 rupees note. Okay. So 100 and 100 will be 200. To that 200 we add this 20, it will be 220. To that 220, if I add more 20, it will be 240. To that 240, if I add this 10, 250 and 51 and 52. If I add 2 coins of 1 rupee, the total will be 252. 100 will be 200, 240, 220, 240, 250 and 252. Okay. Now next denomination. 1 200 rupee note, 120 rupee note, again 10 rupee note, 110 rupee note, one more 10 rupee note and a 2 rupee coin. Let us count, children. 200 plus 20 will be 220, plus 10 230, plus 10 240, plus 10 250, plus 2 252. That means 1 200 rupee note, 120 rupee note, 3 10 rupees note and 1 2 rupee coin will make 252. Okay. Now let us see. So with this, children, we finish our today's session of coins and currency notes part 3. See you soon in the next session, part 4 of coins and currency notes. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Okay. All those sum which teacher has done, you are going to copy this in your rough book. You are going to write the question in your rough book and you are going to make denomination by yourself. Okay. This denomination teacher has given you. You can use your denomination. You can put variations in that denomination and you can make it by yourself. Okay. But only see to it that the total should be 252. Okay. Whatever number is given, the total should be the same. Okay. So children, bye. Take care. See you soon.